Massive search operations conducted ahead of Manipur Sangai Festival. And Congress to discuss issue of government formation in Maharashtra. Ahead of Sangai Festival, the Manipur police this morning carried out a massive house-to-house search operation at Imphal East's Mahabali Kaboikhol. Imphal East Commando, under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operations T.H. Krishna Tombi, searched rented houses at Mahabali Kaboikhol, during which 250 residents were verified. However, no one was picked up. On the other hand, an Imphal West police team under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operations Amarjit Lamabam also conducted cordon and search operation in and around Polo Ground and Alu Gali in Imphal city early this morning. One person who failed to produce ID proof was picked up and later handed over to city police station for further verification. In the meantime, a team of Bishnupur District Police Commando under the command of Additional Superintendent of Police Operations Bishnupur District Police conducted cordon and search operations at Kabui Lamjao, Mathak Mayum Leirak, Bamun Leirak and Haiga Leirak in the district early this morning. The corps picked up 6 persons, including 1 cadre each of the proscribed Pripak and UNLF, who are currently on bail, a report said. They were handed over to Kaibul police station for further verification. Now we have a short commercial break, but coming up next. More Drivers Union repairs Lokchau Bridge on Imphal More Road. More after the break.
Special discount to welcome the winter of 2019. 10% discount on labor charge. 5% discount on spare parts for Hyundai cars only. Benefits on purchase of 4 Michelin tires. Free alignment, free balancing, free nitrogen, free removing and refitting. 3 years warranty on all tires. For more details, please visit SM Motors, Airport Road, near Comprehensive Concept School, 795001. Contact number 9366508258.
Young what?
Soktabana Lodi.
Wabdo Koknaba Rebalance.
Soktabadu Koknaba Rebalance.
Rebalance the Haksang Sol, Amadi electrolytes in the Awapa Mekatuna, Adongi Haksangu Taka no Tambangamali. Rebalance Habadi, electrolytes Amadi Energy.
Welcome back. More Drivers Union, More Imphal repaired Lokchau Bridge along Imphal More Road, which is one of the important bridges of the national highway connecting Manipur. The union took up the initiative considering the pathetic condition of the wooden bridge, which poses a serious threat to the travellers. The union started the repair work on Wednesday around 6 p.m. and successfully completed it around 6 this morning.
More Driver Union highway number tang matung in 26 p.m. to 21:06 a.m. Fawada thongji phajana ahoina manage tawge hairambadu ngasidi pangthoe aduna mi mayam je nungaina chatpiba yarani haibagi phongdokpa tawjari.
District Child Protection Unit, Thawbal, under the Department of Social Welfare Government of Manipur, organized a one-day awareness program on child trafficking, child marriage and POCSO Act at Yoga and Nature Cure Research Hospital, Kakching, Tumnang, Machin Manao Hills yesterday. Child Marriage Prohibition Officer Thawbal, Reena Chanu Morangthem, spoke on ill effects of child marriage, while Chairperson of Child Welfare Committee, Thawbal K.H. Jitendra, spoke on child trafficking during the program. 10 different villages of Chingu, Awang, Kaubru, Asuppa, Haibong Pokpi and Kangchup Road jointly organized a public alert meeting at the local community hall of Haibong Pokpi, Imphal West yesterday. The meet demanded disclosure of the recent Indo-Naga peace talks that ended behind closed door on October 31st last.
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯥꯡꯈꯣꯡ ꯆꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯃꯆꯤꯟ ꯃꯅꯥꯎ ꯎꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯗꯅ ꯆꯥꯛꯁꯪ ꯄꯨꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯄꯨꯟꯗꯗꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯆꯣꯡꯕ ꯍꯦꯟꯖꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯈꯟꯅꯕ ꯊꯥꯡ ꯄꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯊꯣꯡꯕꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯣꯛꯄꯩꯁꯨ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯗꯨ ꯀꯥꯡꯈꯣꯡ ꯆꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯀꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯝꯕꯟꯗꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯟꯊꯣꯛ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯦ इमुंदु कायद्रा कायदबरा इंखोन कायद्रगा इमुंग कायदब चिंबरा इमुंग कायद्रगा इंखोन कायदसु कई कई अदमाय तौना मणिपुर हाइबा लेबा असिगी अकोपगी अखोगी बाउंड्री से कायदे हाइतारागसु खुंदामिनरेबा फुरुक मसेनगी मरक्ता नुंसी चाननदबगी लंबीदो मखोयना सिरक्तदना अमगा अमगा ओना दैनना थोजन एनोइना गाना सुमाइन तौने तांपुल नोय मिटे यु खरा हायुने मिटे दसु नोय करो खरा गामने नोय दे मिटे जे हाइदे कोइदा हाइदे
Senior leaders of the Congress is meeting in New Delhi on Thursday over the issue of government formation in Maharashtra after a series of talks with the Nationalist Congress Party and Shiv Sena to thrash out the contours of the power sharing in the political crucial western state on Wednesday. K.C. Venugopal, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, Ambika Soni, Ahmed Patel, A.K. Anthony and other Congress leaders reached the 10 Janpad residence of parties Interim President Sonia Gandhi for the Congress Working Committee meeting, a media report said. The party will also discuss the issue of National Register of Citizens and electoral bonds during the CWC meeting. The meeting comes after the Congress and Sharad Pawar's NCP agreed in principle to form the next government in Maharashtra under a Shiv Sena chief minister. Time for another short break. Stay tuned.
SS Enterprises ta miyam gi damak leizare makhal makha kya gi sound lights teas amadi ten house ki polam sing makhal khuding makki light amadi luhong khongdong bagi polam sing gi damak 10% discount pijari ako pamarol gi damak contact tobiu SS Enterprises kiam gai khoirom laikai near Youth Social Club contact number 8837218002
Yang ware.
Sokthaba lodi.
Wab do kong na ba rebalance.
Sokthaba du kong na rebalance.
Rebalance na haksang salt amadi electrolytes singi awat pa mekhatuna adongi haksang bu tagat tik na thambang amali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Iramdam da fangba polam singna iramdam asimakta da sajaba kangla gi polam sing fangbiragani luhong panthana lakpada miyam gi damak leizare laima kabok loinana luhong bagi yakhanaba discount su izari akupa marol gi damak contact obu 8131877217 natraga 9612056941
kangla kabok chabiyu yamna hawbani
kangla laima kabok.
Welcome back. Chandrayaan-2's Vikram lander hard landed as reduction in velocity during its descent did not match with the designed parameters, government said, throwing more light on ISRO's dashed hopes of making a soft landing on the lunar surface in its maiden attempt. A report said that in a written reply to a question in the Lok Sabha, Jitendra Singh, the Minister of State in the Prime Minister's office, who looks after the Department of Space, said the first phase of descent was performed nominally from an altitude of 30 km to 7.4 km above the moon's surface, and velocity was reduced from 1,683 meters per second to 146 meters per second. The indigenously developed Chandrayaan-2 spacecraft, comprising of orbital lander and rover, was successfully launched on board the indigenous GSLV Mk3 M1 mission on July 22. Now we have the sports news. Young shooting sensation Manu Bhaker scripted history at 2019 ISSF World Cup as she bagged India's first gold medal at the tournament this year in women's 10m air pistol. On course to her triumph, Manu Bhaker broke the junior world record with her total of 244.7, a media report said. Meanwhile, Manu Bhaker also became only the second Indian shooter after Hina Sidhu to win a gold medal women's 10-meter air pistol at the ISS World Cup. Yashaswini Deswal was also competing in the same event and finished 6th in the final round. Serbia's Zorana Arunovic won the silver with 241.9, while Quen Wang of China bagged the bronze with 221.8. In the men's 10m air pistol event, Abhishek Verma and Saurav Chaudhary qualified for the final. Verma topped the qualifications with 588, while Chaudhary was 7th with 581. The US failed to advance despite beating Italy 2-1 after a doubles match as per a report. Sam Querrey and Jack Sock won the decisive doubles match 7-6, 6-7 and 6-4 against Simone Bolelli and Fabio Fognini, but it wasn't enough to secure the Americans in the quarterfinals as one of the two best second-place finishers from the 6 groups. Only a big win against Italy without losing many sets or games would have been enough to send the US to the knockout stage of the revamped team competition. With the elimination, the US will equal its longest gap between Davis Cup titles, with its last one coming in 2007. England batted themselves into a promising position on the opening day of the first test against New Zealand in Mount Maunganui. 3 of tourists' top 5 compiled half-centuries as England closed on 241 out of 4. According to reports, Ben Stokes hit an unbeaten 67 against a flagging New Zealand attack after disciplined 50s from Rory Burns and Joey Danley laid the platform. Colin D. Grandholm took 2 out of 28 for the hosts on a good batting wicket. England have become notorious for batting collapses in the recent times, but this was a solid, if not perfect, way to begin a test series. Stokes was dropped on 63 by Rose Taylor at first slip late in the day, but he saw England through to the close in New Zealand's North Island, along with Oli Pope, who made a sparky 18. The Indian women's cricket team completed a 50 out of 0 series whitewash over the West Indies after half-centuries from Veda Krishnamurthy and Jemima Rodriguez. Complemented by the bowlers' clinical show steered the side to a 61-run triumph in the 5th and final T20 international at Guyana, West Indies. As per reports, Rodriguez 50 and Krishnamurthy 57 not out shared 117 runs for the 3rd wicket as India women scored 134 for 3 after electing to bat. In the West Indies run chase, the Indian women bowlers produced a disciplined performance to restrict the hosts to 73 for 7 in their allotted 20 overs. And now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. NRC will be carried out across India. No need to fear. Amit Shah. Reject NRC list in Assam. Himanta Biswa Sharma to center. Convene assembly session, says R.K. Anand. Free arrested member. Kokomi to government. Housewife found dead. People's Chronicle. Kokomi moods Kangla Assembly if states' interest affected. NRC, CAB different issues. Amit Shah in Rajya Sabha. UP government orders probe against Nidhi Kesharwani. MHRC queries Meghan's detention. Imphal Free Press. MHRC seeks report on RK Meghan's detention. Directs Chief Secretary DGP to submit report within 48 hours. Fegokta resumes college teachers cease work strike. AMCTA calls for healthy academic atmosphere. State Congress surprises NCP chief. Women found hanging in Thawal. The Morning Bell. NRC to apply nationwide. No person of any religion should worry, says Amit Shah. MHRC issues notice to Chief Secretary DGP for submission of report on re-arrest of RK Meghan. Minister Karam Sham distributes emergency relief to Ukhrul fire victims. Arrest of Kokomi leader will invite more trouble. Kokomi. Married woman found hung, husband arrested. Manipur Mail. Compulsory registration inserted in CAB. Nationwide NRC to be carried out. Home Minister Amit Shah. Congress gives note to alliance with Shiv Sena.
Now the top headlines once again. Suspected militants attack Assam Rifles camp in Chandel. Massive search operations conducted ahead of Manipur Sangai Festival. And Congress to discuss issue of government formation in Maharashtra. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.